piano, please.
Greetings, everybody, and welcome to Justin by Candlelight.
Candlelight. Candles, light.
We are going to discuss Justin's life. Contrary to popular belief, Justin was not born in a stable in the Middle East, but sprung already fully formed from the head of his father, Goose, a combination of Gordon and the Greek god Zeus. He was born out into a land that was, in those days, called Mount Merion, which then became Dundrum and finally was called Black Rock. Justin was the fourth in the line of the great Catherine and Gordon.
Are they fighting or kissing?
They firstly begat David.
Oh, good grief, look at him.
He's a bit puny, isn't he?
Secondly, they begat Drury.
Identical.
Doesn't look different.
Thirdly, they begat Mark.
Oh, you're bigger, darling.
Hey, big boy!
And fourthly, they begat Justin.
But you see, in horse racing, when you get down, you know that all horse racing, the fourth horse runs the fastest. You can get away.
After more begetting, Ben arrived, and then Anna.
We didn't get a mouse.
No, you didn't. That was terrible.
Beautiful.
It was a land rich in milk.
And those of us who are old enough might remember the blue tits used to pet the silver foil on the tops of the milk bottles. Or they remember Rathgar Junior School, where the little 1/3 of a pint were left beside the radiators and tasted hot.
That was my days off.
And rich in honey, because Granny always did and still does maintain an endless supply of honey. And in the land of Black Rock, the Pearson tribe was surrounded by the tribes of O'Neill, Whites, Patterson, Cox, and the Amazon tribe of the Overends.
Wonderful.
Not to worry, not to worry.
It's good, Tonica, isn't it?
Oh,
That's the Amazon.
that's the That's great.
Justin grew up fair of face and fleet of foot, accompanied everywhere by his faithful hound Simon.
I don't think it was Simon, wasn't it? Brown in those days.
Brown.
Please, get it right. But he actually is black in that picture.
Easy there, easy there.
Did you see your bumping bit?
Yeah, that's it.
He was espoused at an early age to the fair Hilary of the distant Warrington tribe. Details of the marriage are rather hazy, but it is known that later she became Princess of Malaysia. From an early age, Justin clearly had the gift of music. Taught and encouraged by his mother and teacher Coralie Bognuda, commonly known as Mrs. Lillis. So his career was launched in the early days of Rabbit Ears on RTE, playing the Call Me Dry by Max Brooke.
Yeah. Never forget that one, I'd say.
Is that the one on RTE, Jay? You all went down to watch you play it? Yeah, I remember doing that.
A youth so clearly talented was much in demand. The Amazonian Overends thought he would make a great girl. So they produced their finest clothes and transformed him into the beautiful Justina. They then convinced him to run away with them on the number 11 bus.
Yay!
Wonderful.
Upstairs in the bus. Well done.
Nobody knows whether the bus broke down or whether he managed to escape, but we know that he went back to Castle Park School in his smart uniform, once again dressed as a boy, that same day. Justin's star was on the rise. He waved his old teacher, Miss Bradley, a sad goodbye.
Mrs. Bradley's excellent. Yeah, flat shoes.
Yeah, and I think our socks are there too.
And headed to England to take on further challenges. The scholarship boy became head boy, and then scholarship boy again when he went to the Royal Academy of Music in London. Eugenia approved. These years were shrouded in smoke. Away from his mother's guidance, we know Justin explored life to the full.
Do not.
Do not disturb.
Yeah, and there was some very dodgy music in the background there as well.
Let's hear a bit more. Nonetheless, he never forgot his roots. He played hockey.
And you know, when he was in London, he wasted his time by going to Spurs, who unfortunately, unlike Leicester, have never won the championship.
Whoa!
Below the belt mark.
The
Mark's above
timeline,
Leicester.
That's aimed at Emmet.
Let's stop recording.
the timeline becomes a bit wobbly here, but it's true that Justin and a group of 10 other explorers introduced the game of hockey to China.
Although it is again rumoured that Justin didn't actually go to China himself.
Yes,
So from the idealistic days of Hatfield Polytechnic, musical tours throughout far corners of the UK and beyond, and sanding the odd dusty squash court, Justin became a real working musician. Swapping hats or wigs as the need arose, Justin has become the go-to cellist for many impresarios and heavy hitters of the music industry. And now we come to Justin the romantic.
Whoa!
He has always preferred a certain type of girl.
Yay!
A little scallywag, you mean?
But, I mean, a very particular type of girl. Wait and see.
Yep.
That's what you mean.
Don't ruin anything out.
I get in a minute, okay?
That you know of. Tell me something.
Justin became a dad many times over. A ready-made dad, one might say. And cared for his adopted children with generosity, love, and wisdom. He extends this gift of care to all of his many nephews, nieces, and grannies.
Yay.
Justin has always been an intrepid traveller and photographer. Recent trips have included India and Kenya. We wonder where next.
See the monkey, Donica. Look at the monkey, Donica. Woo, woo. Donica.
Cheeky monkey.
Monkey, yeah. Woo. What's the monkey saying, Donica? Woo, woo. Yeah.
With universal acclaim comes respect and responsibility. His caring nature extends into his professional work as he constantly gives support to his fellow musicians, to those at the start and those at the end of their career. It has been said that if one spends 10,000 hours at any practice, they become a master. So in Justin's case, he's probably spent about 10 million hours, so has no doubt achieved wisdom and enlightenment.
Woo.
So a big happy birthday to our generous and smiling, caring and compassionate son, brother, and uncle, the Buddha Justin.
Yay! Well done, puppeteer.
And now all the class will come to the front and give a big bow.
Put out the candles for this bit.
Very good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Chris,
No,
you're
leave the candles.
Very good.
Well done,
I hope you
guys.
weren't too offended, Justin.
No, it's your word of thanks now.
What?
Your speech to say thank you.
A few criticisms.
Put you on the spot.
It's his birthday. He can do whatever he wants.
Just say thank you very much. That was lovely. I really enjoyed it. Sweet. That was really, really lovely.
Well, you're very good. And we hope the video comes out for
Yeah.
YouTube.
No
postings on YouTube or
Absolutely
Facebook.
amazing. Absolutely brilliant.
Thank you, Eleanor, and thank you, Neve.
Quality show.